Which animal has long neck?
What's that?
Who's that?
Giraffe.
Giraffe?
And the dinosaur. Long neck.
Which animal has long trunk?
Hippopotamus.
Which animal has long trunk?
Elephant.
Elephant, how the elephant says?
Upside down here. Look. Here.
So how the elephant says? Okay. Who is the king of the jungle? Who is that?
Lion.
So lion, who is lion?
King of the lion jungle.
Here. And who eat banana?
What?
Who's that?
Monkey.
Okay. And who eat bamboo?
Banana fruits.
Banana first. So who eat banana?
Monkey.
And what about who eat bamboo? Who's that?
Panda.
Panda eat bamboo.
Yeah. The panda eat like this.
Okay. So who says moo? Who's that?
Cow.
Where is the cow?
I don't know.
The cow is
On the farm.
the cow is on the farm, okay.
What about horse?
What about the horse? The horse says? Okay. So who runs very fast?
Horse.
And who else? Who also run very fast?
Rabbit.
Okay. But who runs very slowly?
Turtle and giraffe.
Giraffe runs slowly? Are you sure?
And the turtle.
And the turtle too?
Yeah.
Okay. So who lives?
Sheep and rabbit faster.
Zebra and rabbit faster. Okay.
Go.
Okay, I understand. Sit down, please. Who live in the ocean?
Dolphin.
And who else?
Whale and a shark and a fish and a starfish and a seahorse
Okay.
and a squid
Okay, understand.
and the octopus and the jellyfish.
A lot. They live where?
Live is the ocean.
In the ocean. Can they fly?
No.
So they
And the
can?
octopus
Okay, but they can?
and the dolphin.
Okay.
And the
So those they can swim or they can fly?
no
They can swim or they can fly?
fly.
The dolphin fly?
No.
So the dolphin? Okay. Like that?
What's that?
I don't know.
Nothing.
That the dolphin?
What's that?
I don't know.
Whale.
The whale?
What's that?
I don't know.
Shark.
The shark? The shark is scary.
What's that? Fish.
The fish?
No, the fish. What's that?
That is the fish. Gigi, continue, listen. Who eat bone?
Look at the dog. Look at the dog into the phone.
There?
In pony.
Mm-hmm. Eat the pony. Who's that? The
Dog.
and who eat fish?
Look at the cat in a hand.
Near the hen. The cat says.
Meow.
And what about the
Dog say goof goof. Meow meow.
okay? What about the rooster? Rooster says. Do you like dinosaur?
No. This?
Yeah, like that. You like it?
No.
So how the dinosaur says?
Doom doom.
Yeah. What about the tiger? What about the lion? The lion has long.
Long hair.
The lion has long hair.
Boom.
She has long hair.
No.
She has short hair.
And mommy has long hair.
Yeah, mommy has long hair. Okay. Say bye bye.
No.
You want to continue?